Oh, shout out Yash. Yash found fun outdoor living. He told me that he had a sauna in his garage, and then I said that I want one and giving it people to get it done, and he did that. So shout out Yash. I'm a huge man. I need a big sauna. You know what I mean? I'm a big dude.
It was like he's gonna throw parties in it, right?
No, I'm a big guy. I don't want to feel too tight in it. I wanted it to be something that I really enjoy, I guess. So yeah, I went in, I looked at it, I saw the 3-person, I saw the 4-person, and I decided the 4-person was better for me. Andre and Gage came out, and they definitely had a plan for us. Like we didn't know anything, and we didn't expect anything either. It's like, yo, I'm in the sauna. Other than that, you can help me with it. They told us exactly what we need to do. We can pick pavers out. We can do this, do that. Julia was more hands-on.
Even picking out pavers, I had an aesthetic in mind, and Gage was like, hey, actually this will be more upkeep, and I don't feel like resetting my stones every few years. And so even something as simple as that, I didn't know. And so they definitely helped steer us in the right direction. Even doing the retaining wall, I would have had no idea. I thought we would just stick them in the corner. So yeah, that was very helpful too. And also communication. It was nice that we were able to just text back and forth, even with talking about the pavers and the materials. And obviously design. I'm not a professional with design, so it was really nice to have someone that was able to talk us through it and work with the aesthetic wants and needs that we had and make sure that it turned out really good. So really, especially on Thursdays, Rob uses the sauna religiously. He would go into work and he probably spends 30 minutes twice a day in the sauna. And then you have to add on taking a shower and then commuting. And so it just ends up adding like an hour and a half, which whenever he's already gone, it kind of adds up. So I'm really excited to see this season and see how it goes with him being able to do recovery at home and using the sauna here. So just going to add some more time for us, spend together, and for him to be with Sky.
I think sauna use helps like the overall recovery of the body. I've been using it a long time. I've been using the sauna for years, and that's usually after a long day, after probably banging my body, being physical, and then getting in. I feel like afterwards, like my body just like relaxed. You know what I mean? Like my muscles are relaxed, my body's relaxed. I feel like it helps mentally. For me personally, I feel like it helps a lot of different things.
I usually use it to warm up, honestly, before I lift. And then if I use it post-workout, I also like to just get a good sweat in, and I look at it as more like a detox and mental reset. I'm excited to do that here, especially when it's cold. It's going to feel really nice.
It's a good time.
I came in the other day. I'm like, all right, you need to use the other door. We have a shower that you could actually enter in right there. I'm like, yeah, hit the shower before you come in, because he is drenched.
If I have buddies over and I could recommend fun outdoor living, like for some use, I definitely would. I mean, I literally got it from one of my buddies. So it's something that I would pass on, man. Obviously it's growing. I mean, because my buddy got it and he told me about it, now I got it. And once I shared, which I shared with a couple of my friends already and told them about it, they was yapping about how good it looks. So, the word's gonna keep passing, man, and the company will probably keep, going and going. Obviously it's doing well, but the people keep figuring it out and trying to put something in their backyard.